Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlogging era. So right now, kasi alis kami at night, so I'm going to prepare some food for the kids. I'm referring to Luffy and Potpot kasi may iwan sila dito sa bahay. And then, mag-early dinner sila right now. So we're going to my mom's house, and then afterwards, since we're going somewhere, it's something like Alamay, somewhere in Barangay Mabuhay. So the kids will be staying here sa bahay, and then prepare muna natin ang kanilang dinner. Okay, bye for now. Hi guys, continuation. Yan. Hi, short. Right now, passenger tayo for 5 days natin na maging driver. Is right now, passenger tayo. Traveling with my driver right now. Ayan, we're going somewhere. Mag-buy kami ng rice. Ng rice? Bibili kami ng bigas in a mall. Then we're going somewhere afterwards. So currently, we're here. It's late afternoon and it's raining. It's raining in Jensen. So let's see where we're going next. Okay, bye. So ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa Singapore. Nag-Singapore na lang mi guys, dahil traffic kayo if we're going to a mall pa. So right now, kami sa Save More Malakas. Kaya we're going home sa malakas na bahay later. Doon na kami magdi-dinner. So we're here. We're off to buy something, and then may i-check rin ako na dapat kong bilhin. Kasi I've been staying in Digos for quite long time na rin. Hindi naman siya long time. For quite a time right now. Tapos, lahat ng kinakain ko is it's either fast food or makarinderya, something ganyan. Kasi wala akong cookware. So, hindi ako nagluluto. So, I am thinking, and then ako compromise breakfast ko kasi late na ako nagigising. And then, diretso na lang work. Workaholic kasi ako. Workaholic! So, kaya ayun. So, I need to check on something like panluto and some cookwares para adalhin ko sa Digos. Meron naman doon, pero check ko lang dito. Or I was thinking na maybe doon na lang siguro talaga kasi bibit-bitin ko pa siya. Well, let's see. Check muna tayo. So kaya ayun, wala rin ako nakita. At saka wala rin kami nakitang rice. Ayun, 1.6. So right now, hindi na bigas yung hahanapin namin. Kundi ice cream na lang. Nasa ice cream section kami right now. Kasi ano ba yun? Oo eh. Naman yan eh. At dahil walang bigas guys, tinapay na lang ang nabili namin. So, right now. Baka lang. Ay, ito pala. And we're going home na. Pero umuulan pa na right now. Hindi pa. Oo. But we still need to buy bigas. So, doon na lang kami sa isang shop, bigas shop. Bibili ng bigas. Kasi hindi maganda yung choices. Wala bigas station kasi we can't find a good bigas dito sa Save More. So, we'll drop later. Ay, open na ang DIY. DIY malakas na open. Cebuana. You really need a Cebuana. Cebuana padala. Yan. Dyan. It's a bigas station. Okay, right now guys, nandito na kami sa bigas station. Starling merchandise. Ayan. So may purok malakas lamang siya na ano. So dito muna kami magpo-park. So bibili tayo ng bigas. Pero wala akong cash. Sarap bilang bigas. So yan. Ayan, we're done with the bigas. So, we're done with the bigas. So, uwi na talaga kami ng bahay, finally. After a couple of hours. It's a couple of hours. It's already in the afternoon tayo umalis, diba? Tapos it's already night time. And it's night time already. Kanina umalis kami na may araw pa, but now, it's night time. It's a good thing kasi diretso na kami mag-dinner. Nagbitbit naman kami ng ulam and some ice cream. Bumili lang kami ng ice cream sa Save More kasi we can't find any good bigas in there. Arte. Arte mag-talk. So malapit na kami sa bahay. Diretso na kami ng bahay. We'll have dinner. Tapos aalis rin kami. Kasi we're going somewhere. We're going to Barangay Mabuhay and to give tribute dun sa na mayapa natin mahal sa buhay. So we have to give tribute sa kanya. So we have to visit and to say hi and hello to everybody. And then we'll have some coffee in there. Wala, madilim na. We'll be having some coffee in there. They make pipip eh. Pansit. Hi guys, nasa bahay na ako. Yeah. Dito kami. Lucky! Withdraw sana kami ng BPI pero mahaba ang pila, so hindi na lang muna tayo mag-withdraw dyan. Maghanap na lang muna kami ng other places na pwede mag-withdraw kayo kasi wala na kaming gas guys. We don't have any gas na, so baka magtutula kami ng sasakyan. Better yet, maghanap na lang kami ng 7-Eleven for the withdrawals. Ayun, may card payments Petron. So, doon na kami na Petron. Then of the day, wala pa rin kami pera. Kureta pa rin kami for 2 nights. famous Petron. So, doon na lang kami sa Petron. Then of the day, wala pa rin kaming pera. Kureta pa rin kami for 2 nights. Hi guys! We're at NGCP Road kasi this is the shortest way papunta dun sa area na pupuntahan namin. Actually, we're going to somewhere in Polomolok pala. I thought it was in Mabuhay, but clearly kanina it was stated, oh my god, did you see it? It's lightning! We're off to Polomolok. So right now, here in the NGCP Road, and then forward of this is the Hill 6, the wonderful scenery of General Santos City, kung saan makikita natin ang buong syudad, the city lights at night. So it's a wonderful place guys, so come and visit. Hill 6 is located at sa likod lamang ng NGCP. This is roughly like 10 to 15 minutes away from the town proper, so dyan yun siya guys. And then this is the NGCP. So here we are, fast approaching the boundary of Jensen and Polomolok. Hindi pa pala tapos yung night natin guys, nag-umpisa na ako na mag-edit. But mapunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part. So we're going to Alamay and then we'll have some coffee in there kasi tapos na tayo mag-dinner. Hindi rin pala namin nakain yung ice cream kanina na binili namin kanina sa Save More. Dahil rushing out of time. Nagpupunta kami ngayon ng Polomolok, South Cotabato. See you later. Hi guys! Hello again! Feel ko malapit na kami. Because I can see the light. Actually malapit na lang talaga kami. Yung location na pupuntahan namin is somewhere near sa basta malapit na kami. That's the most important thing. And it is the most important
mga property ko.
Kali.
Sa iyang isang na nila pa.
Actually guys, we're really checking some properties na pwedeng ma-purchase. We're checking some properties na pwede namin ma-check. Check lang dahil wala tayong cash. Baka sira yun. So we're here somewhere. Slow down intersection area. Actually it's a curve line, not an intersection. And guys, yes, and now we're done and pauwi na kami. So we're done doing the visual thing. We're off to go home. Nasa Diversion Road kami right now. And then we'll end the night. And that was our Saturday. It has been a great, wonderful day. A day well spent. So thank you so much. Bye!